ang sabi nila, kapag nagkakaroon ng oil shock o economic crisis, parang Danny, nararamdaman yan hindi naman agad-agad kundi mga several weeks thereafter, no? Kung kailan nagsimula yan, kagaya nitong nararamdaman nating crisis ngayon. So, makakausap po natin para pag-usapan yung supply ng pagkain, stable pa ba? Yung pagtaas ng presyo ng mga groceries, yan. At kung ano-ano pa. Mula po sa Department of Trade and Industry, we are happy to welcome Secretary Maria Cristina Chris Roque. Sec Chris, good morning po, si Peter at Danny dito sa DZMM. How are you, ma'am?
Good morning, Peter. Good morning, Danny. Thank you for having me. Good morning sa lahat ng nakikinig sa inyong programa.
Salamat po
ng
marami.
Sec.
Oo, thank you for spending a few minutes with us. Sec Chris, syempre ang bukod dun sa gasolina, ang medyo kinakabahan ng mga tao ngayon yung presyo ng mga pangunahing bilihin, no? Whether sa sari-sari store, groceries or supermarket. As of now, as we speak, meron na po bang palpable na pagtaas ng presyo ng mga groceries?
Okay, I would like to announce that there will be no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities na yung list ay yung listahan ng DTI. Because we acknowledge that there's many products being sold out there, but DTI has a list of 205 products or 205 SKUs. Wala pong price increase ito until April 30.
Okay.
Nag-meeting kami with the manufacturers yesterday and lahat po ng mga produktong nasa listahan ng DTI will remain the same SRP as what is mandated by DTI. So wala pong price increase po hanggang April 30.
Opo, and that's very good news. Ito po ay dahil sa nagkaroon kayo ng kasunduan or agreement na...
Yes, nag-meeting po kami kahapon ng mga manufacturers. No? Actually, Monday 5 p.m. nag-meeting po kami and we all nag-agree na no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities. Yung listahan na meron ng DTI, this list is 205 SKUs. Yung listahan po makikita sa DTI website, DTI social media site, and the groceries and supermarkets. So, wala pong price increase until April 30.
Ma'am Secretary, syempre 205 items yan, listahan ng DTI, no? So para lang doon sa mga nakikinig ngayon, bigyan nyo nga kami ng, let's say, yung mga ordinaryo, mga basic items na talagang araw-araw na ginagamit ng masa natin, para at least they have an idea na ito hindi dapat tumaas. Anong klaseng mga items?
These are canned meats, sardines, kape, dairy products, meron din po itong Pinoy Pandesal, meron din Pinoy Tasty, cup noodles, instant noodles, meron din candles, meron din bottled water. Actually, wide po yung variety po nito. So again, there's no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities. Until April 30.
Okay, yung katulad ng mga sardinas, yan, marami ang gumagamit, nagko-consume
nila kung nasa listahan ng DTI because there's many brands of sardines. Yung iba po, wala sa listahan ng DTI. So, ang best for our mga kababayan is to have the list. Kailangan meron silang kopya ng listahan para alam nila kung magkano talaga yung presyo ng mga items na monitored and kontrolado po ng DTI.
Pero Secretary Chris, ibig sabihin ba meron lang manufacturers na nakausap ninyo? And therefore, itong mga brands na hawak nitong mga manufacturers na to, ang hindi tataas ang presyo. Pero kung hindi nyo nakausap, pwedeng magtaas ng presyo yun kaagad.
Hindi po. Basta ang nakakausap po namin are those that are part of the basic necessities and prime commodity list.
Okay. So
yun ang
generic.
kinakausap po namin. But some of their products po, let's say some companies, may products silang nasa list. May mga produkto rin silang wala sa listahan. So ang pinag-uusapan lang namin po, yung nasa listahan.
Okay. Yun. Paano yun? Kung ano ang ratio ng mga nasa listahan at wala sa listahan?
Hindi, I'm not too much aware of that ratio. Basta dun lang tayo po sa listahan
Na control ng
products
DTI.
ng DTI. Yes.
Tama.
Opo. And maraming na pong produkto ito. This is a wide range of products na at least kahit paano we can say na stable po ang presyo.
Pero-
Especially sa pagkain na napaka-importante po sa consumers.
Pero Ma'am Secretary, linawin lang natin. Ibig sabihin, nationwide ho ito baka kala ng iba, NCR lang to.
Nationwide po.
Yung hanggang April 30 na walang paggalaw
Yes,
sa
up to
presyo.
April 30 sa supermarkets and groceries. We're talking about supermarkets and groceries. So, ang best talaga nila is for them to have a list para alam nila. So, may listahan ako. So, pag check ko, ito yung price pala ng DTI, okay, check ko. Kasi yung iba, mas mababa din sa presyo ng DTI. So, ang importante, they should have the list.
Okay.
Oo.
So, kung
Opo,
mababa...
kahit sa supermarket, may
Yeah.
list din po, tsaka grocery. So, nakapaskil naman po yon.
Oo. So, ibig sabihin po, yung mga mababa sa suggested retail price, dapat wala ding movement yon.
Merong two products from CDO na actually they just maintain the SRP. Yeah. So
Okay.
hindi rin siya problem kasi nandun din siya sa SRP.
Would you say po na itong agreement with the DTI and the manufacturers, covered nito ang ilang porsyento kaya ng mga yung tinatawag na basic commodities ang covered nitong agreement na ito?
Again, I don't
Okay,
please
ganito po.
repeat the question.
Yeah. Opo. I will repeat po. Yung pong agreement ninyo, when you think of the basic commodities sa grocery, sari-sari store, supermarket, palagay ba ninyo covered ng agreement na ito ang 70 to 80% of the brands na mga binibili ng mga tao?
Yung the usual na kinukonsume.
Yes. I would say a lot of the big brands kasi kasama dito URC, kasama rin San Miguel, kasama rin Nestle.
The usual brands.
Yes, the big brands are part of this.
Okay.
Okay. So,
Lucky Me,
Ayan.
Century,
Yeah.
Yung
madami.
ginagamit ng
All the
masa
big brands
regularly,
are there.
yung
Yes,
masa
opo.
ang magbe-benefit
malalaki
dito.
pong brands ito. So again, no need to panic, no need to hoard, and
Tama.
no need to profiteer. We have enough supply of food. Even DA Secretary has reiterated also na marami pong supply na pagkain. So again, no need to hoard, no
Yes.
need to panic. Opo.
Yes.
And we will keep on updating on a weekly basis. Like as I said last week,
Oo.
mag-update ako this week. So ngayon, nag-update din ako. No price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities na yung listahan ay listahan ng DTI
Okay.
Oo.
until April 30.
Does that mean at pagdating ng April 30 or just before that,
May announcement ulit?
magre-reassess kayo?
Ganon.
We have to meet again. It's hard for us to speculate now and hard for us to give information. Basta we will keep updating. I also said this last week.
Yes.
So
okay.
we keep a close coordination naman and with manufacturers. So maganda naman ang meetings namin, no.
Po. Ma'am Chris, I'm not very sure if this is the time na mag-iikot kayo at
Ocular
magpa-price
inspection?
check. Magpa-price check kasi alam niyo po, baka sa Metro Manila medyo kayang pigilin 'yan. Sa probinsya medyo tumataas
Yun ang sinatanong ko baka
Oo.
kung hindi nationwide, baka sa ibang probinsya.
Yes.
May magsamantala. Ganon.
Oo.
And actually, we have 18 regional offices, no, all
Okay.
over the region, all over the country. Yun po ang nagche-check on a daily basis. Of course, may mga isolated cases na nag-i-increase because of the logistics
Tama.
cost, no.
Yes.
But actually binibigyan namin sila ng LOI, letter of inquiry, bakit tumaas yung price and ganyan. But it's isolated. They should go to the supermarkets and groceries because yung mga prices na, let's just say, pure gold dito sa Manila is the same as in the far-flung area. So, doon po kami nagmo-monitor sa mga groceries and supermarkets. Let's say, SM, yun din ang, yung dito sa Manila, yun din po ang nasa far-flung area. So, and the list of the amalgamated supermarkets, nag-check din po. Kahit si Stephen Kua will
Steven,
say there's
yeah,
no price
regular.
increase for basic necessities and prime commodities.
Yeah, yeah.
That's why importante po alam nila kung magkano talaga yung presyo.
Oo.
And they have the list.
Oo. Ma'am Secretary, if ever na, just in case, meron nga magsamantala, would you
Yes.
encourage ang ating mga consumers na mag-report? At least, meron ba
yes.
silang tatawagan or whoever na
Yes.
para kung meron
Opo.
nag-hoard o meron di ba, yung mga ganun na nag-increase,
Yes, tama
na
po yun.
blatant increase. Oh.
Yes, tama po yun. Please report to us at 1-384 or they can go to report to sec at dti.gov.ph or they can go to the different regional offices para talagang ma-address na to right away. Because, of course, in situations like this, we expect that some will take advantage, but we have the government here to make sure that we will enforce and will strictly monitor. Because we already said no price increase for basic
Tama.
necessities and prime commodities. The list na meron ng DTI, yun lang po ang kontrolado and monitored ng DTI.
Mas, ano po ba?
sige.
Meron po ba kayong Facebook page kung saan pwedeng doon mag-report o kaya
Yes, sa DTI, DTI Philippines, they can go
Ayan.
right there to report. Yes,
Okay,
opo.
okay.
Sa social media sites ng DTI, they can report them.
Okay. Ma'am Secretary, yung one price fits all, medyo may duda po ako doon kasi nga yung nagdi-deliver mga higanting mga trucks kumukonsumo ng katakot-takot na diesel yan. Malamang kapag binyahe yan sa halimbawa
Yung
Nueva
transport.
Ecija, Cagayan,
Transport
Bicol,
cost, diba?
Opo, yung mga
Transport
produkto malamang po magkaroon ng ng price impact in other words, mas mahal na doon talaga.
Basta yung pinag-usapan namin ng mga manufacturers, we've talked to them and they agreed to the no price increase up to April 30. So,
Okay.
yun po ang
Naka-factor in na yun, no?
pinag-usapan
Yung mga
namin. Yun
transport
ang agreement
cost.
namin. Yeah, opo, yes, all in na po yun.
Okay.
Basta no movement and stable
Yeah.
po yung presyo ng basic necessities
Oh,
and
sige.
prime commodities. Yeah.
All right. Lilipat lang po ako, paring Danny.
Sige, go ahead, go
Kasi
ahead.
meron pong loan program para sa mga MSME na
yes, opo, yes.
Paki-explain nga po yun because this is good news.
Yes, opo. Yesterday, we launched the 4 billion pesos loan for the MSMEs up to 5 million po, no collateral, and 1 year po, no payment of principal and interest para makausad po ang ating MSME. So they can apply online, sbcorp.gov.ph. This is the bank under DTI. And it will take 7 to 10 days ang approval once kompleto ang requirements. What are the requirements? Government-issued IDs, business permits, bank statement, and a picture of your business. Yun lang po ang kailangan. So,
Ayun.
if they have more inquiries about this, na marami pa silang tanong na gustong itanong, no, they can actually go to the different regional offices nationwide. 18 po ito, regional offices in the different 18 regions.
Yeah.
And we have 1,344 negosyo centers nationwide. So, it's best for our negosyantes to go there also to check what are the offerings of DTI or mga opportunities and possibilities of DTI para po sa kanila.
Okay.
And like today, we will be having a trade show in Mega Mall. That's 300 MSME. So in this
Wow.
trade show,
Today?
today po, but we have 200 trade shows nationwide. So again, if they're from the province, they want to know the schedule of the trade shows, pwede po sila pumunta sa different regional offices and negosyo centers. Mag-apply lang po ito.
Yung-
These trade shows are free.
Kaya,
Libre po ito.
pero may application na po doon for loans.
Yes, nandun din yung SB Corp.
Okay.
Pwede.
Oo,
Yes, of
mga
course.
nakikinig
Yeah.
sa atin ngayon, partner.
Oo,
Kasi, Sec, importante, liwanagin ko lang, sabi nyo, tatlo lang yung requirements. Sabi nyo, government-issued
apat po
ID,
yung
business
requirements.
permit,
Yeah, business, yes, yeah.
bank statement,
Business,
At
pictures
saka-
of their business,
nature.
and business name registration or SEC.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pero ang maximum loan is 5 million lang. Tama ba?
No, pwede sila up to 5 million, walang collateral po. If over 5 million, then they need collateral na.
Basta kung 5M lang.
Yeah,
Wala collateral.
Yung walang collateral
Oo.
na, yung no
Yeah.
collateral, but the loans can go up to 30 million, 50 million, pwede po, but may collateral na po.
Ang problema yung mga micro, wala pong business permit yung
Basta compliant po sila. Yung micro, yung sari-sari store, meron tayong enterprise rehabilitation fund
Aha.
that they can use for now, up to 300,000 po
Aba, not bad.
pautang doon.
Yeah.
So again, no collateral, and then again, 1 year, no payment of principal. That's why it's best for them to go to the regional offices or to go to the negosyo centers. Marami po kaming pautang
Okay.
and marami rin pong opportunities and possibilities po para sa lahat ng nagnenegosyo.
So assuming, Secretary, 5 million na, ako interesado, mga nakikinig sa atin ngayon. Ano ang payment terms? Kunwari, walang collateral, paano ang bayaran yan? Sa ordinaryong mag-a-apply?
After one year, after 1 year
After
pa
1
po.
year pa?
Oo.
Merong
Okay.
May palugit na 1 year.
So how
Okay.
much?
Oo.
After 1 year, magkano, let's say, monthly ang ano niyan?
Hindi.
Sige.
Depende sa amount ng loan. That's why they need to contact SB Corp para
Yeah.
doon sila
Okay.
mag-negotiate
Sige.
doon. Kasi
Yes.
pwede rin bayad interest lang, pwede rin bayad principal and
Ayun,
interest,
maganda.
pwede rin bayad principal. Very flexible po ito.
Yun,
Kasi
good.
these loans are really to move the
Very
MSME.
helpful.
Yeah, especially in this time of crisis, very
Yes,
important.
opo.
Salamat.
Yes.
Oo. Secretary
Oo.
Chris, maraming salamat po.
Maraming
Thank you for the
salamat.
good
Thank you.
news
Thank you.
also.
Yes, opo. Thank you.
All right, si Secretary Maria Cristina Chris Roque ng Department of Trade and Industry or DTI. O yun, dalawang good news yan. Ang oras, 9:31 na 9:31 ng umaga.